Hello friends, so in this video we will try to make a divide two numbers in Java programs, divide two numbers and print the screen on the Java programs and make two types. First is a simply types to make a program and normally and get a second type of user input of two numbers and get the result of output in terminal. So start now this program. So firstly I will already make the boilerplate and file name is a divide to n is a full meaning of divide two numbers and get as elements. So we are start this public static void main and simple the boilerplate of this code, and finally he is make the string of a argument in this variable, and finally make the arguments. In this video we will try to make a good and clearly make the programs, and he is make a normally program from the user input and get the elements of make the result of output, and this is the program of result int of data type and get the element and any name of the answer and result. So I will get a name of result is also easy name and equal to 15 divide any numbers of 50 divide is 2 and of the semicolon, and finally this is a print of the number of result print and get the output in a terminal. So terminal is a output 25, and he is a make a good thing in this program, and he is change the value of divide 4 and get a sum and screening of divide two numbers without user input, and he is get a 12, but a 12 is only given of divide numbers of without any point inside the number, and he is completed for a normally program, and it is commented for this program and make the secondly program for user input and get some element of this program. So now start this program. Firstly we are created a object to read input from the user file and get the scanner sc dot equal to new scanner dot system out to print, and make the system file for my Java, and I'm already import the Java util dot scanner and get some element for the reader and store the file first number. So we will make to this line in our code. So int a is integer is a data types from the user input, and sc dot next int and is a finally completed for this read and store the first number, and secondly we are print the second number of first, but I am forget the mind of print the first number of line of system.out.println, and this is enter the first number, and these are completed for the first number, and make the print of second line is enter the second number is print the second number, and the user is prompt user is input the second number and read the store the second number. So we will make a integer b is input of integer next int, and int b is equal to sc dot next int, and is completed for the second user input for the stored value in a second, and finally we will try to make a new integer of data type of t is a make a result of this programs and get a divide of b and complete this integer and get a printer some lines for the blank line. Finally we display the result of the division and display as a blank line of separation of this line, and lastly we are make a result of the division. So system out.println with get make the new line. We will we must make this line of the division of a and b and print the number of d, because d is the result of calculate the division of a and b and calculate of a and b, and finally we are execute this code. So we are enter a first number to 40 and second number is a 20 and divide into a and b is 2, because I'm not get there and not give the space for the b. So this is some wrongs of answer, but wrong, but answer is right because I'm not get the space for the division of A and B lines together. And finally, we are again the execute the code of again the code is right. A user get a input of 200, and finally we get a 40. Is our division is A and B is 5. It is a correct option to calculate fully of 200 divide 40. His answer is 5 is correct. And complete the code of the program in Java in division of two numbers. Like this video and subscribe for more videos.